The chapter name is mean and median, right? See, yesterday I sent a message in the group. What did I mention? Ah, why is it turned off? Teresa, Alia, Sasha, keep it on, students. Be quick. Alia, turn it on. Alia, Sasha. Okay, fine. Look at the screen, students. Concentrate here. Mean and median. What do you mean by mean? For example, let me take max and students. Okay, there are 5 students, A, B, C, D. 4 students. And max marks. If I take max marks, student A is scored out of 50. Okay, or let me take 100. So out of 100 marks, student A has scored 50, student B 60, student C 90, and student D 80. So basically mean is just the average mark, students. Average. Fine. So total how many students are there? Total there are 4 students. Each student has got different marks 50, 60, 90, and 80. So the mean meaning is just the average of these 4 things. Average. What do you mean by average? So out of these 4 students, the average of this is no. Let me give another example. No, no, 1 minute. I'll just take one student. A. Okay. Subject marks. Max, science, and English. In max, out of 100. All the subjects are out of 100. Example, in max you're getting 70. Science you're getting 80 and English you're getting 90. Total how many subjects are there? Total 3 subjects. And these are the marks. Okay. So mean is nothing but you add the marks of whatever you got. 70 plus 80 plus 90 divided by how many subjects are there, students? Total how many subjects? 3. It is just basically the average or the middle value. Mean meaning is average or middle value. So if you divide by 3, you get 70 plus 80. 150 plus 90 is 240 divided by 3. So our average is 80 marks. Okay, this is how you find average. The formula for this. What did we do here? Numerator, are we adding or subtracting? We are adding, right? So the formula is sum of observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. This is the formula. So what do you mean by sum of observation? Observation is nothing but the marks value. Okay, so how much ever marks you add, we are adding divided by the observation. Total there are 3 values. 1, 2 and 3. This is how you find mean. Is this clear? Did you all understand? Yeah, mean basically just the average value, students. Average. See, make a note of the formula. See, this is mean formula. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Just write the formula, that is enough. Okay, we'll start solving question. Have you written the formula? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Okay, look at the first one. What's the second question, students? What is given? Respond. Find the mean of 43, 51, 50, 57, and 54. So what are you supposed to do? What's the formula at all? Sum of observation divided by? Yes. So these are the observation, students. Total how many observations are there? Total 1, 2, 3, 5. Numerator. Sum of observation is what? Sum meaning is add or subtraction? Addition. Complete this. Add all 5 divided by 5. Start solving it. How come so soon you all completed? Just now I wrote. How is it possible to calculate so? What's the value, students? 43. What did Let me check. What is this? 220? Is it correct? So if you divide by 5, how many times it goes, students? 50. This is the answer. Next question. Try the next one. Find the mean of 6 natural numbers. Do you know what natural number is? Natural number starts from 1. 1 plus 2 plus. How many natural numbers? Are there 6 numbers? Divided by. How many numbers are we adding, students? 6, right? Complete. And try even the fourth one. You all know first and odd numbers, right? What are the first and odd numbers? Yes, complete. Yeah, complete the fourth one and third one. Both the questions completed? Oh, okay, let me solve this. What's the total you got? Decimal, what you'll get? Okay, good. Next. What was the question? Complement of all 10 natural numbers. What was the total you got, students? 10, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, up to 19, right? See, I'll tell you how to add these numbers. Whether it is odd number or even number, it's very simple. What is 1 plus 19? What is 3 plus 17? 20. Are we getting 20 here? What is 7 plus 13? 9 plus 11 is 20 is multiplied how many times? 20 into 5 is how much? So don't waste your time adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, students. This is the way you have to add. Next question. Okay, find the mean of factors of 10. What do you mean by factors of 10? Factors of 10 nothing but what are the different tables you get 10 students? Into hmm, correct. 1 into 10, next 2 into 3. Does 3 go in 10? No, 3, 4 doesn't go. Yeah, 5 into 2 and 10 into 1. Write all the numbers once. So what are the factors of 10? 1 comma 2 comma next 10. That's it. Don't repeat the numbers. Have you written everything once? Divided by how many numbers are there? 4. Okay, we'll do the next one. Next question. What's the answer you got? 17 divided by 4. No, not 17, sorry, 18, right? Yes, I made a mistake. It is 18 students. 3.6. 18 divided, sorry, 18 divided by 4 point. Completed? Okay, 4.5 is the answer. Next one, students. Next. What is given? Find the mean of. See, just add everything. X plus 3 plus, what's the other one? X plus 5 plus 7 plus X plus 9 plus. So if they tell you observation, students, observation meaning this, can you see before comma, this entire thing is one observation. This entire thing is second, third, fourth, fifth. Total how many observations are there? Total 5. Now how do you solve this question? How many x's are there? 5x plus, add all the numbers. Okay, factorize numerator. If you factorize, what is common? Take 5 and 35. 5 ones are 5 sevens. What is common? 5 is common. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Divide it. When you divide, what do you get? Remainder. See, I'll take divide. 5x divided by 5. What is left? Then, yes, take this. Plus 35 divided by 5. Jerusha, do you know how to factorize? Okay. Just take the value and divide, students. 5 ones are 5 7. Okay, plus 7. Is this okay? Which one gets cancelled? 5 and 5 gets cancelled. What's the answer? This is one way. If you forget factorization, whenever there is common denominator, one denominator, you can split this into two parts. 5x by 5 plus 35 by 5. If you reduce, what do you get? What's left? X plus 7. Completed? Just yeah, just check one, students. Just go through once. Okay, completed. All of you done? Yes. Next one. Okay, see, this is slightly different. If different values of x are, find the mean. Complete this. How do you find means to? Yes. Add everything. Add all the numbers. Write the formula. Add 5.4 plus 3.7 divided by, divide the number. Okay, you can use shifting method while dividing. Okay, write all the numbers, divide by 10. Jerusha done? Okay, completed. What's the value of got students after adding? Okay, let me add. 58, right? Okay, 58 divided. Use shifting method. What's the answer? 5.8. So look here, students. Mean they've given x dash. So what is x dash we got? 5.8. Next, second part is value of this. This meaning is summation. X minus x dash. So x is what? What's the total value we got when you add everything? If, no, total value, 58, right? What is the total? What are the total value of x, students? 58, 58 minus what is this x dash value we got? Yes. Subtract it. Check the answer in textbook. Let me know if it's right. What's the answer? 58 point. No, the second one. Is it 52.52 x minus x dash? So did you understand this question? What it meant? Oh, is it 0? Is the first answer correct? 5.8? Okay, value of summation x minus x dash. No, that will be too lengthy, Alia. That is too lengthy. Summation of. Oh, correct, correct. Look here, I'll tell you what summation meaning. Okay, summation meaning is total, student. The meaning of this is total. Okay, first x minus x dash is given. For all the x value, what is first value? What Alia told Oscar? What's first value? 9.8 minus what is summation x dash? So what do you get? 4. Next, take the next x value. What is next x value, students? 5 point minus 5 point. No, no, 5.4 minus. No, no. My question is 5.4 minus what is x dash we got? 5.8, right? Okay. When you subtract, you get 0.4. 5.8 is greater. So minus. Okay, try the next one. For third one, what do you get? Take 3.7 and subtract with. How did your ma'am do? Like this or? Okay, complete this, students. Take all the values. Tell me the answer for this. Next. Take the next one. 1.7 minus 5.8. Okay, calculate everything. I'll write the values. So I'll give you 2 minutes time, students. 5 minutes time. It's a lengthy question. calculate all this and tell me the answer. Okay, just a minute, students. Okay, what are the different answers you'll got for this? So respond a lot. Next. And next. Okay, let me figure out a way because this seems to be lengthy, students. You're not supposed to do value of summation of x. Okay, I'll give a direct formula for this. For the second one, I'll give you a direct formula. This looks lengthy, right? You have to solve everything, then you have to add all these values. It looks lengthy. Instead of this, I'll give a direct formula. So whenever there is summation of x minus x dash, okay, do it like this. Total minus number of observation multiply total minus total observation. Make a note of the formula, students. Total observation minus number of observation into x dash. Now what's the total observation we got? Sum of total observation. What's the sum of total observation, students? When you add everything, what do you get? No, no, no. I'm not asking mean value. When you add everything, 9.8, 5.4, 58, right? Isn't it 58? Minus number of observation. Total how many observations are there? 10. Multiplied by what does x dash stand for? X dash is the first one. What is x dash value? What's the mean we got? 5.8. So 58 minus 10 into 5.8 is how much? If you shifting method, how much is 10 into 5.8? You have to shift 58, right? What is 58 minus 58? 0. Did you understand this formula, all of you? Yeah. Just use this formula. Any question, use this formula. When they ask like this, x minus. So sum of total observation minus number of observation into x dash. Okay, Alia, after this class, just send me the second exercise as well after the class. Completed, done. Yeah, make a note, students. Be quick. Just ignore the previous calculation. That was too lengthy. Completed. Okay, next question. What's the time? Okay, next one, 8th and 9th, we'll do tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. Try that. I'll explain the 10th one. Look here. If the mean of observation they are given and the given is 11 students, is 11, you have to find the value of x. Whenever they tell you to find the value of x, mean value will be given. What is mean value? The mean of all the observation is how much? Use this formula. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. It's simple. What are the observation given? If the mean of observation, what's the observation students? X plus, what's the next one? X plus 2, x plus 4. Next we have x plus 6 and x plus divided by how many observations are there? No, no. Jerusha, you shouldn't count all this. This is one observation. Can you see? Comma is given. Yeah, this is where students get confused. Don't count everything, students. Can you see comma in the question? After x, we have x plus 2, comma x plus 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and total 5 observation. So what I have to divide by? I have to divide by 5. And if you want to find x value, remember they will always give mean value. What is mean in the question? Mean is 11. So this 5 goes to the other side and becomes what? Multiplication. Total how many x values are there? 5x plus. Add the numbers. 21 or 20? 20. If you want to find pi x, how do you solve this question, students? How do you solve this equation? 11 into 5 is? Find the value of x, all of you. Is this clear? Did you understand? Okay, complete this for homework, students. Find the value of x later. Just make a note. Done. What is x value? Okay, the remaining question will start. We'll complete tomorrow and start next exercise. All of you done? Completed? Okay. Look at this, students. What is the difference? 6th and 11th, 10th one. In 6th one, did they ask us to find x value in 6th one? No. If they don't ask, it's a normal question. But if they ask us find the x value, mean will be given. Understood the difference? 6th and 10th?